Shalom, YouTube. We got a law graduate, a paralegal, who got caught up and groomed, let's use the word allegedly here, but groomed 150 children to engage in sexual activity using an online game, Roblox. PSA to all parents. If you have children that play Roblox, you might want to keep an eye on them. You also might want to tune into this so that way you can have an idea of what is going on in this world. You know, because it's not only that you have to watch out about where your kids is, you know, who they're staying with, even when they're walking the street, who's watching them and all that. No. It's not only that you have to keep an eye on that too, but you have to keep an eye on the video games that they play as well. Literally everything from what they see to what they hear. You have to just protect your kids, ladies and gentlemen. You have to watch them. For those of y'all who don't know, Roblox is a game creation system and online game platform that allows users to play program games created by other users or themselves. The game allows users to imagine, socialize, chat, play, create, interact, and relate with others. So, pedophiles are finding their ways into Roblox, and they are grooming kids on there. Owen Thomas, or Wayne, there's a A at the end of it, A-I-N, Owen Thomas, was one of them who got caught. And guess what? He's a law graduate, a paralegal. This man, we have to use this word allegedly. This man encouraged 150 children to engage in sexual activity by contacting them online using games like Roblox and paying these kids in-game currency. Now, Owen Thomas, who was working as a paralegal, paid one 10-year-old victim 400 Roblox in-game currency to perform a sexual act while he watched him on a webcam. A paralegal, ladies and gentlemen, assists with case planning, development, and management, legal research, interviews clients, gathers facts, and retrieves information, drafts and analyzes legal documents, and collects, complies, and utilizes technical information to make recommendations to an attorney. Pretty much like what? Set the case up for the attorney. Paralegal. Now, the court heard the offending came to light after Thomas approached 2 children in the street. Police intervened following a complaint from their mother. So, Mr. Thomas walked up to the 2 children, who are brothers, outside of a primary school, and said to the boys, "I dare you to show me your DICK. Yeah. Come here and I will show you mine." That's what came out of Thomas's mouth. Now the boys walked away with no response from that. And Thomas approached them again, meaning he was following them, being persistent, showing them a sexual image on his phone. The boys ended up telling their mom what happened, who, after she heard the complaint, she then contacted the police. And then the police traced Thomas by using CCTV cams and his car license plate. Officers showed up to his crib, where he began to cry. And the police seized his devices, which included his phone and his laptop, which contained software allowing him to pose online as someone else and record footage of whoever he was talking to. He had a hard drive under the kitchen sink, which his former partner found as well, which contained indecent images. The police ended up viewing 175 hours of footage. And with all the footage that they have seen, they were determined that Thomas was a committed pedophile. I said pedophile, excuse me. That he was a committed pedophile. Thomas spent an extraordinary amount of time using platforms including Facebook, FaceTime, Skype, Minecraft, and Roblox to contact children. He told children he wanted to see their butts in group chats. And he pretended to be more than one child in conversations. He used the children's online game Roblox as a method of persuading the child to get involved. He admitted to 158 counts, including causing or inciting children to engage in sexual activity and distributing indecent images of children. This man literally used peer pressure, threats, and financial incentives to corrupt young people into doing things they otherwise would not have done to satisfy his own depraved sexual needs. Owain Thomas was sentenced, ladies and gentlemen. In case y'all want to know, did he go to jail? Is he not? Owain Thomas was sentenced to 10 years in prison after pleading guilty to 158 online sex offenses against children. His 146 victims were based across the UK, and it goes as far as the USA. Just so y'all know, Roblox is a huge multiplayer game, ladies and gentlemen. It contains more than 1.5 million games created by users. Besides Fortnite being all popular, like all the games that the children are going to and whatever's popular to the children, keep an eye on that. But besides Fortnite, Roblox is one of the most used gaming sites by children and teenagers. And it allows players to create their own mini games and virtual worlds. And now it's slowly beginning to get corrupt by the groomers on there. They're creating a strip world. They've been complaints where the titles will be so, out of a porn website. Like the titles and the scenery and what they're doing now is becoming so explicit. But a lot of people, like, there's been so many complaints. A lot of people have been complaining about it. People have been getting caught, yeah. Parents, uncles, aunts, brothers, sisters, grandparents, anyone with children or anyone in the care of a child, be very vigilant, because they be on these sites trying to groom children. And he was just one that got caught. And his face got planted on everywhere, but he's one of them who did get caught in that. So just imagine all the others out there that are grooming who hasn't got caught yet. And not only on Roblox, but on Fortnite and on Minecraft and all these other gaming sites that your children is playing on. Imagine all of those groomers on those sites. So y'all gotta be very vigilant. Y'all gotta watch. Check their messages. Alright? Check their messages. Check who's on their friends list in these video games. Check who is who. Because it's real out here. And the more as these systems keep coming out, the more it advances. So be vigilant. So just be on guard, okay? And just watch what your kids are doing and watch who they talking to. Y'all stay safe. Y'all stay prayed up. Y'all already know what's up already, y'all. Unplug from this matrix. Y'all repent to the Most High. Stay in touch with Him. Alright? To the next video.